Morning is not an easy time of the day. We've made up morning routine pranks for you to cheer up and wake up faster. Try them, and they will make your day. Good morning! These are Redhead and a blue-eyed girl. They are best friends. They start their day as usual by calling each other to say good morning. Then they get ready for their classes. The difference is that today, each one is going to arrange an unforgettable start of the day for her friend. Redhead manages to slide in the bathroom first. She sneaks in weird cream and improved toilet paper. Put lip balm into an empty cream jar. Mash it with a spoon. Press it down in the jar. The blue-eyed girl comes to wash her face. She wants to moisturize her skin. Opens up the cream jar, but the cream is hard. She sniffs. It's lip balm. That's good. If I can't moisturize my face, I'll moisturize my lips. And what's happened to the toilet paper? It's been tied up as though being held hostage. Use 2 cable ties to tie up toilet paper across the middle. You will have to make great efforts to tear off some toilet paper. But the blue-eyed girl is going to put these efforts not to the paper, but to a revenge prank. She prepared a whole set of morning beauty stuff for her friend. Redhead runs into the bathroom and sees that her prank has been a success. Excellent! Now she can look out for herself. She takes a hair comb. What's wrong? The hair comb has stuck in her hair. Take a plastic hair comb. Run with a knife across the comb teeth, cutting them slightly. With a comb like this, Redhead won't definitely do her hair. Moreover, she should be very careful not to pluck out most of her hair. This comb is missing something for sure, maybe half of its teeth. Once Redhead hasn't managed to comb through, she wants to make curls. Hair rollers are exactly what she needs. Poor girl! She doesn't suspect that her friends had her finger in this pie too. Cut the hooks off Velcro hair rollers. Now they won't stick to your hair. The smooth curlers slip off Redhead's hair. They are very independent and nothing holds them on her head. Redhead thinks that she's beautiful with any hairdo. The most important thing is to apply perfect foundation. She takes a beauty blender. Be careful! Watch out! Pour some water into a small container. Add some mascara to it. Fill a syringe with the colored water. Eject it into a beauty blender. Redhead gets a perfect black stain instead of perfect tone. Well, this is too much. Watch out, my friend. Revenge is close by. Redhead knows where the blue-eyed girl hides her vitamins and is going to change their content slightly. Take vitamins out of the package and put in Tic Tacs. The blue-eyed girl fills a cup with water and puts her vitamin in it as usual. But it doesn't dissolve this time because it's a Tic Tac. It would hardly be useful or healthy. If my friend is so active in the morning, then she doesn't need strong coffee. Excellent! Then I will swap it for colored water. Put brown food coloring into a cup. Pour in hot water and stir. The blue-eyed girl brings morning coffee to her friend, and Redhead's also prepared a drink for her. It's strong fake tea. Peel an onion. Put the peels into a container. Pour in hot water and let it sit for a while. When the fluid becomes dark enough, strain it off. The girls' drinks are served in identical cups, and how should they understand which cup belongs to whom so that they wouldn't be pranked by their own pranks? Redhead gives a cup to her friend, and the blue-eyed girl gives it to Redhead. The cups have got into a real mess. Now the friends are completely confused. Each girl takes a sip. Oops! They happen to have played tricks on themselves. Redhead chokes on the onion tea, and the blue-eyed girl drinks her decaf coffee. But the main thing is to maintain a poker face without hinting at the taste. Redhead cooks the most delicious breakfast for her friend. Bread, toothpaste, juice, don't need it, water, mash. Ready! It's the healthiest breakfast ever. Put a few spoons of baby pumpkin mash into a cup. Add some water and mix it. The blue-eyed girl tries the juice. It tastes strange, but Redhead has already run away, leaving her friend alone with her breakfast. And what kind of toast is this? I doubt that my prankster friend suddenly cooked normal food, just as I've expected. Squeeze toothpaste on a slice of bread. Put one more slice of bread on top to make a sandwich. The blue-eyed girl has got bad experience, so she opens the sandwich carefully. It's just as she's expected. There's toothpaste filling inside. It certainly maintains dental hygiene, but it is way too much. The blue-eyed girl can cook a delicious breakfast too. She puts a frying pan on a stove. Her curious friend is already here. No, darling, you will have to wait. My breakfast will be a surprise. Melt white chocolate in a double boiler. Pour the hot chocolate onto a plate. Cut off a slice of lemon and put it on top. Decorate it with a sprig of parsley. A sweet fake fried egg is ready. The blue-eyed girl has cooked the most delicious fried egg. Bon appetit, my friend! Redhead is surprised by such an unusual look of the dish. Nevertheless, she cuts the fried egg and tastes a piece of the white. Oh, this is chocolate! Thanks a lot! The blue-eyed girl thinks that she's ruined her friend's breakfast, but when she comes back, Redhead thanks her for the excellent meal. The prank has failed. The blue-eyed girl has a plan B for such a case. Salted oatmeal. Cut a package of instant oat flakes along the seam. Put a funnel into the hole. Add a few spoons of salt inside. Hot glue the cut. Redhead takes out the oat flakes, pours in hot water, and puts a spoon into her mouth. Yuck! This is not oatmeal, this is a world stock of salt. Hurry up, give me some water. Well, friend, let's see how you will like my lunch. First of all, let's make a lunch box. Open a lunch box. Apply hot glue to the rim of the lid from the inside. Close the lid, gluing it to the box. Let's paint fruit now. We will need edible food paint and a brush. Take a few pieces of fruit and paint them. Cover a banana with a bright red color. Paint a tangerine green. And paint a kiwi fruit in a rich blue color. Let the fruit dry. Redhead changes the natural colors of the fruit like a real Photoshop. She leaves the plate in the kitchen intentionally for her friend to notice the masterpiece. It's not just the lunch, it's a pop art picture. But the blue-eyed girl isn't surprised. She knows who the artist is, and she turns the fruit pieces into their natural colors. But the lunchbox is a true problem. She can't manage to open it, so she throws it aside, right into her friend's red head. The blue-eyed girl has flown into a rage. She finds her friend's socks on the couch. It's a great opportunity to prank her back for the damaged lunchbox. Take old socks and make holes in them. The blue-eyed girl shreds the socks and puts them back to the place where they were. Redhead is ready to dress up. Great! She's found her socks. She stretches them out. These socks look more like a sifter. Is it a function of additional ventilation? The blue-eyed girl runs away satisfied with her prank, but leaves her scissors. It's been a huge mistake. Redhead's got a cunning plan. The blue-eyed girl wants to change her clothes. A checkered shirt will match a white t-shirt perfectly. Cut the buttons off a shirt carefully. Redhead's tried her best to prevent her friend from buttoning her shirt. Well, it looks even better, and you don't need to worry about fastening tiny buttons. There are benefits everywhere. The blue-eyed girl is holding a grudge against her friend. I'm going to hide her keys in her hood. I'll sneak her wallet as well. And Redhead has a final prank before going out. She swaps her friend's mascara. Now she's ready to leave, except that she can't find her keys. Where are they? Redhead is looking for them in all of her pockets. They are nowhere to be found. Wait, it sounds like something is tinkling in my hood. Here they are. The only thing left for the blue-eyed girl before going out is to apply her mascara. She uses the one her friend has swapped. Take a wand out of old mascara. Clean it. Wipe it until it's dry. Take apart an old pen and remove the spring. Cut out the mascara wand with pliers. Put a spring on the brush and connect the other end of the spring with the left part of the wand. Put it into the mascara. The blue-eyed girl opens up the mascara, but there is a spring instead of a brush. Is it a new design? To improve the makeup application? Or to annoy a friend? Lunch in a canteen turns into a true challenge. The redhead has to choose the tastiest dishes and cope with her wallet as the zipper has been stuck. You'll need a zippered wallet, thread, and a needle. Make some stitches near a slider to make it impossible to unzip. Now, you can't open the wallet. Redhead has trouble with opening her wallet just near a cash desk. It is so awkward, but her friend reaches out a helping hand. She pays for her friend in the canteen as a compensation of her stitching the wallet. It's high time to quit the morning routine pranks as the morning is over. It's lunchtime. Did you like our pranks? Then write in your comments how you are going to prank your friends in the morning. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new interesting videos on the Troom channel.